Hi guys, this is Rajiv Nedungadi here, and today I'm going to unbox the 4K Ultra HD and Blu-ray limited edition collectible steelbook of Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. This is an Australian edition. Here is the spine and here is the back. So looking at the details, the Blu-ray has special features: constructing the multiverse, method to the madness, introducing America Chavez, gag reel or gag reel or outtakes, deleted scenes and audio commentary. The technical specifications include English, Spanish, French and English audio descriptive language on the 4K, and English, Spanish and French subtitles. The Blu-ray includes English, German, French and English descriptive audio, and subtitles include English, French, German, Dutch, Danish, Finnish, Norwegian and Swedish. It's an all regions disc. It says Dolby Atmos, DTS digital sound, DTS master audio. So let me just open this up and let's see what we have inside. Okay, so here is the flip. Here's the front. Here is what we have at the back. Okay, so the disc has come out. Okay, so that's the 4K disc. Let me take out the Blu-ray disc as well, so that I can show you the artwork inside. Here is the artwork inside. Okay, and this is what we have on the outside. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.